himself is corrupt, then everyone would be.
Yes.
They will have no. They will
Chalo
have-
beta, now give him a huge round of applause. You people have also spoke very nice for this team also. Big huge round of applause for this team. And from this team, especially these two people spoke nicely. Big huge round of applause. And from this team, this girl is very much courageous. Especially for this girl. Give her a huge round of applause. So how was the topic? Good. So are you all, I mean, did you jump the conclusion, or you need, I mean, in coming days, do you need some more time on this?
For today you must tell. For today you must tell.
Yes.
Who is the favorable?
So what I think is that, sir, let when corruption takes place, from where it takes place, from ours. Okay, how? Because our mentality is like that. If our mentality is not like that, so we will not do corruption. So how to make
It's the conclusion.
Conclusion.
No, let me. No.
Listen, but
Wait,
one must be chosen
I
out
want,
of
beta, after listening to all the people, now you can give the conclusion. Overall, what do you think?
Sir,
Yes.
I
Wait. Do you want to give conclusion overall? I mean, no, let them. Conclusion means you don't worry about anybody. So yes, this man has to give, or he has to jump the conclusion. Yes.
He will get hurt.
Arey, let them be.
Okay. So, as the conclusion, I would like to say that
Could you please
every sector or every part is corrupt. But if we talk about the most corrupt, so it is politics.
Okay. Okay. And now, only the passive people will speak. The people who had been reticent. Now this girl's turn is there.
Okay, when we are talking about the corruption, so
Don't you
politics
listen to
is
anybody?
a root of corruption.
Huh.
Corruption. Okay, first is politics,
Hmm.
second is media,
Hmm.
third is education. Actually, education and media is similar. Yes. And after is army.
Hmm.
Okay, it's a conclusion because
Who is the winner?
winner is that politics is a
Politics. No, winner means
the sector which has low rate of
of
corruption.
course.
Now
army
only
because-
passive with Jay.
No education.
Beta,
because no one
listen.
criticize a lot.
Okay, now done.
I just want to say, I'm not like
No,
giving
no.
a point, sir. I'm not giving a
Let
point.
the passive people.
From my thought, the most corruption is in politics.
Hmm?
If politics are uncorrupted,
Hmm?
then everyone is free.
If politicians are genuine,
Genuine,
right?
yes.
Then
according
everything
to
will
me-
fall in place.
Fall in
है ना?
place.
If they are not degenerated, right? And
Sir,
now
according to me,
this small boy, beta, would you not listen to this small cute boy?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yes.
So according to me, politics is if politics will not be corrupt, so anyone will not be corrupt because the main clutch is on the hand of politics.
Very good.
Let me speak, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this boy, Saurabh, you want to add something? No, not now. Do you want to? No. No. Okay, better now. Yash has to conclude. Yes. Now, would you please?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think
Hmm.
almost all the sectors are corrupted. Why all the sectors are corrupted? Because it's a higher ratio of uneducated persons. Because
Okay.
because of education, they are not. मतलब,
Moral.
all of us are
हाँ.
saying, all of us are said, politics are corrupted.
Politicians are corrupt.
Politicians are corrupted.
Hmm.
But mainly, whose politicians, they did not get proper education and proper way of studies and like etc.
Yes.
So there is a reason why politicians are corrupted and all the sectors are corrupted. Mainly reason is education.
Because they all go through education. According to him,
If we
because they all go through the education.
take an example of recently Nepal government,
It is not compulsory that a educated person will not do corrupt.
Yeah.
No
Mainly,
corruption.
mainly.
No,
Actually, it's
it is
not-
not 100%.
Now listen, because of the time constraint, although I am enjoying this heated conversation, but because of the time constraint, I have to take a pause here. Tomorrow at the same time, right? If all the people get together, है ना, punctually, then we will continue with the same topic, with the same team, if people want, right? Okay, so give everybody can give a huge round of applause